Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1093 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to try out a ShopMissA product. So what I have here is from the brand AOA Studio, which is the ShopMissA kind of private label brand. And AOA Studio is seriously one of my favorite makeup brands. I feel like everything I try out from this brand is amazing and it is so affordable. So this sponge here retails for $1.88. Most ShopMissA products are only $1, but this is the charity edition, so it's a little bit more than $1. It says that part of the proceeds go to support kids' education, and still you're getting your makeup sponge for less than $2 compared to the classic beauty blender, which is $20. But I have tried out a few different AOA Studio sponges and I absolutely love them. But this one here is a little bit different, a little more unique. It's the Sili Dip Wonder Blender and it has silicone infused technology. So the darker section is silicone infused and then it has the soft base. It says that the silicone absorbs less germs and it absorbs less foundation. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to work with my go-to daily foundation that I have tried with my sponges that I absolutely love. So I'm going to be using my Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream. So this blender is latex free, cruelty free. Oh, wow, it really does feel more of like a harder plastic, but then that soft base, kind of like the classic sponge. But so I am gonna go wet this. I just wanted to show you how it looks before because it's still supposed to expand. So I will be right back. And now here is what it looks like after I wet it. Basically the silicone part didn't really expand, but the bottom part did. So it did get bigger. It's just such an interesting texture, the silicone part. But so I'm just gonna put some of the foundation onto the back of my hand. Putting about the same amount that I always do. It's basically the size of a pea. And so the instructions say to blend it around your face, blend the foundation around your face with the silicone section, and then you'll kind of blend it in with the soft side. But it's just kind of like my second nature of like blotting the foundation is what I'm doing right now using the silicone section. And it's actually working quite well to blend it out and looking smooth. It's not really leaving texture. Like I can see that it does just blend it on the skin and it isn't absorbing as much as a sponge normally would. So at first, it leaves a bit of texture in the foundation just from spreading it out. But if you blot it like this, it smooths it over. I feel like I'm getting the good coverage that I'd normally get. I really didn't expect this silicone side to give such a smooth finish. I thought I'd have to go over it with the soft side to kind of blend out any streaks, but it's doing a good job of looking smooth. I'll still go over it with the soft side just to perfect any like harsh lines, but it's still pretty soft on the face, considering it's a little bit harder and it does have the point. It definitely doesn't hurt. Wow. That did a fantastic job of applying my foundation. And I love knowing that it's not absorbing and wasting as much product. But seriously, less than $2 and this did a fantastic job. I might be switching over to the silicone-based sponge rather than the regular soft sponge because this works so well and I'm wasting less product. Not that you waste a ton of product when you use a dampened sponge, but you know, I like to save as much product as I can. Now I'm gonna go over with the soft side just to see if it makes any difference. I mean, it definitely looks so smooth, flawless, skin-like texture. So wow, this seriously worked so well. Like, I can get into the little nose creases and blend that out easily. Yay! I absolutely love finding a makeup replacement for cheaper. So I absolutely think this can replace your makeup sponge, your beauty blender, your more expensive makeup sponges. For less than $2, it gives that perfect blended finish that I want from my makeup. So I'm gonna throw out my previous sponge. It was about time I throw that out anyways, and I'm gonna start using this as my daily makeup sponge. I'm so excited. And I also love that this is different, unique. I hadn't seen this anywhere before. So I think this is so genius. You get best of both worlds here. So let me know if you've tried out this silicone sponge or any other types of sponges that you love. I'd love to hear your recommendations in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.